It's past 3 a.m. Nagmamadali ako kasi I'm really hungry. I just woke up. Sobrang haba nung sleep ko because we have a long day ahead. To open this. This is for another project that I'm doing. Naririnig niyo ba ako, guys? This is my I just woke up voice. So, nakalimutan ko ang lifting ako. Whatever. This is how I look like at home. So, I'm super excited for this. But this is from FABER CASTELL. I don't know how it's pronounced, guys. But I bought a lot of stuff from them. Maliit lang yung package pero marami to. Tada! Ang dami. Okay. Healing my inner childhood. Charot, joke lang. I chose this brand kasi ito yung brand na ginagamit namin and popular when I was a kid. This is the one that I wanted to buy. Colored pencils because I'm planning to start journaling and I'm not an artist. I'm not creative. I can't even draw. Yan yung weakness ko, guys. But I wanted to start journaling and napaka-boring ng current journal ko kasi naka-colored pilot friction pens. Friction kasi para mabot. If I remember correctly, colored pencils yung pinaka-comfortable ako. So this one naman, I just thought na interesting to try calligraphy. I don't have a really good penmanship, but it's not bad. We're gonna try that one also. And then I got, I think silver to. Yeah, I just wanted to try it out. And then of course, because I'm gonna use pencils, I have this really cute erasers. If I'm not mistaken, set ito. And then a really cute sharpener. I bought this color tip markers and this, a bigger set ng colored pencils. Kinda excited about this. 0.5 talaga ang preferred ko, guys, naninipis. Iba-iba yata ang color niya. Okay, I kinda like this. And then, mura lang ang buong set. Okay. Not bad for the price. Super nice. So, I might be encouraged to buy the different colors. Wow! Dami ka pera, girl. Like super random. This is super cute. Ito yung mga gusto ko eh, but like it's too big. My journal is gonna be passport size, so how? I don't know. Okay, this one I'm really excited about this. Although hindi ako sure how I'm going to use this. It's late at night. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I'm hungry, but gusto ko na to tapusin. I'm opening 3 packages. Gusto ko na to tapusin kasi ayoko na siya problemahin tomorrow. So this one arrived a few days ago pero hindi ko siya binuksan kasi gusto ko i-film. So this one, I'm very excited about this. Para pa rin to sa aking journaling, creativity kinemberloo. Refill lang to ng aking favorite pens, which is Pilot Frixion. Refill and nawala yung pink one ko and wala pa akong green one. So, bumili ulit ako ng pink. May mali nga ako eh kasi bumili ako ng pink na refill pero hindi ako bumili ng green na refill. Ayaw nyo mag-focus. Tapos, huwag nyo napansinin. Tapos may refill ako ng purple and blue. Kasi I still have purple and blue pens. Refill lang ang kulang. Hi, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Happy April 28th to all. It's my birthday. I'm 43 today. Unboxing packages. These are all kind of related. This is from Paper Diet. I've been kind of following them on Instagram for months na yata. And I saw their post na they're closing because they're moving abroad. Congratulations pala, because I think the artist is also getting married. So I ordered a few stickers, I think, from their clearance sale. Look at that, ang pretty. I like their stuff because most of it are food related. And I'm a foodie. Ito. Ang ingat pala, guys. But anyway. Ayan. So I'm just gonna do a quick pakita lang on the stuff that I got. These are so cute. These are cuter than I expected. Japanese street food. I'm not sure if I ordered this or Japanese pastries pala. I'm not sure if I ordered this or freebie to. I don't remember ordering that. This one I definitely ordered. Ito yung matagal ko nang nakikita palagi sa kanya. Still Japanese food. This is called the Tempura Friends. This one is the Tamago Friends stickers. Super cute. This is Sakura Tea House stickers. Para to lahat for my journaling. I'm not sure kasi if these are waterproof, pero feeling ko pang journal talaga siya. Sakura Tea House sticker set. So, super cute. Next, I ordered a journal from my friend. We've been friends almost 30 years. So she was my classmate from 2nd year to 4th year high school. This is the name of her online shop. She has Instagram and her own site, FAIRYTALEparkstudio.com. So check her out and let's open. Super excited. That's her card. These are everything I got. So this is just 450 pesos tong entire set na to. I think she put in a few freebies kasi nga we're friends. I didn't ask for it though. 450 for an art journal, artist's journal. Pada kasing, I think yung with lines, that's for writers. I usually write my thoughts online naman na, or I type it out sa doc. So, yung without lines, ang ginagamit ko right now as my practice journal because I want to practice or try being artistic even if I'm 0% creative and 0% artistic skills. But this is my new journal. So if you are a member of my Instagram channel, you already kind of know that I've been doing journaling. I think she added an extra refill, kaya medyo makapal. So, ito na siya, guys. Look, it has her artwork. Siya gumawa niyan. Hopefully, ma-inspire ako. Tatlo in total. So, I think usually dalawa lang. And then, merong parang thing where you can insert stuff. So, this is what she calls an art journal. So, itong package na to, this is an art journal kasi nga walang lines yung inserts. It includes sketchbook inserts that are compatible with traveler's notebooks. Passport size yung pinili ko para I can bring it along when I do cafe hopping. That's the journal. And then these are all that it came with. First, stickers. Siya din ang gumawa nito. Merong months, merong days. This journal belongs to her brand. More freebie stickers. Hindi ko na bukasan, guys, kasi baka magkawalaan. Button pins and an elephant charm. Washi tapes. Ito nga yung nakalimutan ko while I was shopping at Patron of the Arts. Hindi ako nakabili ng washi tapes. That's it, guys. Happy birthday to me. Bye, everyone. Something.